The question given here is convert into centimeters. So you can see the number given to us is in meter and centimeter. We have to convert this into centimeter. So relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. As you can see, 15 centimeter. This part is already in centimeter. So we have to convert 14 meter into centimeter. Therefore, 14 meter, 15 centimeter. This will be equals to 14 meter means 14 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus this 15 centimeter we will add directly into it. So 14 into 100 is 1400 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. This is equals to 1415 centimeter. In the next part we have 84 meter. So we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So if it is 84 meter, so it will be equals to 84 multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equals to 8400 centimeter. In the next question, we have to convert into grams. Now, the number given to us is in kilogram and gram. We have to convert it in grams. So, relation between kilogram and gram is 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So, 3 kilogram 250 gram. This will be equals to 3 kilogram means 3 multiplied by 1000 gram plus this 250 gram add in it. So 3 into 1000 is 3000 gram plus 250 gram, which is equals to 3250 gram. In the next part we have 8 kilogram 50 gram. So again we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So 8 kilogram 50 gram. This will be equals to, convert 8 kilogram into gram, 8 multiplied by 1000 gram. Now add the remaining 50 grams, so plus 50 gram. 8 multiplied by 1000 is 8000. So 8000 gram plus 50 gram, it is equals to 8050 gram. In the next question, we have to convert into minutes. So this time the number given to us is in hours and minutes. We have to convert it into minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, we have 9 hours 40 minutes. 9 hours means 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 9 hours will be 9 multiplied by 60 minutes. Now add the remaining 40 minutes in it. So plus 40 minutes. 9 multiplied by 60 is 540. So 540 minutes plus 40 minutes, it is equals to 580 minutes. In the next part we have 15 hours. So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, which means 15 hours, it will be equals to 15 multiplied by 60 minutes. Now when you will multiply 15 and 60, product is equals to 900. So 15 hours is equals to 900 minutes. Next question is, a car consumes 1 liter of petrol to cover a distance of 20 kilometer. Means to cover 20 kilometer distance, petrol consumed is 1 liter. So if 8 liters of petrol is there, if car is consuming 8 liters of petrol, then how much distance will be covered? So here it is given that distance covered in 1 liter petrol, it is equals to 20 kilometer. So if in 1 liter 20 kilometer distance is covered, means if the petrol is 8 liter, so distance covered will be more than, or you can say 8 times of 20 meter. So distance covered in 8 liter petrol, it will be equals to 20 kilometer multiplied by 8. So 20 multiplied by 8 is 160 kilometer. This is the required answer. The next question is, a bag cost rupees 21.50. So we have to find the cost of 8 bags. Here cost of one bag is rupees 21.50. So cost of 8 bags, it will be equals to rupees 21.50 multiplied by 8. So multiply 21.50 by 8. 8 into 0, 0. 8 fives are 40, 4 carry, 8 ones are 8 and 4, 12, 1 carry, 8 twos are 16, 16 and 1, 17. Now as you can see, we have two places after decimal here, 50. The last two digits are in paise. So we have to put decimal here. It will be rupees 172.00. So this is the required answer. Cost of 8 bags is rupees 172. Next question is, a factory produces 480 bulbs in 8 days. How many bulbs it will produce in 10 days at the same rate? Means in 8 days number of bulbs produced are 480. So 480 bulbs are produced in 8 days. So firstly we have to find out how many bulbs are produced in 1 day. Okay, so for 1 day we have to find first. So let's find out. Bulbs produced in 8 days, it is equals to 480. So bulbs produced in 1 day. So if 480 bulbs are produced in 8 days, so in 1 day less number of bulbs will be produced. So what we will do, we will divide 480 by 8. So 480 divided by 8 is equals to 60, which means bulbs produced in 1 day is equals to 60. Now we have to find out bulbs produced in 10 days. So bulbs produced in 10 days will be 10 times of 60, means 60 multiplied by 10, because 60 bulbs are produced in one day. So in 10 days number of bulbs produced will be 60 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 600. So bulbs produced in 10 days is 600.